Hello everyone, I'm Emma Vilhorn, and today I'm going to be discussing phylogenetic trees. But first off, what is phylogenetics? Phylogenetics is the study of the evolutionary history of a taxonomic group of organisms, and it's typically shown through phylogenetic trees. This is a rooted phylogenetic tree, and this is an unrooted phylogenetic tree. Unrooted phylogenetic trees only show the distance between operational taxonomic units, whereas rooted phylogenetic trees show the distance between operational taxonomic units as well as the divergence through evolutionary time. Now, what's more on a rooted phylogenetic tree? This rooted phylogenetic tree shows how it works. First off, there is the outgroup. And the outgroup is an operational taxonomic unit that is known to have diverged earlier than any other operational taxonomic unit. It roots the tree and helps compare the relationship with all other operational taxonomic units. So it's the first one that starts for all of these. Then we have the terminal nodes, which are at the end, and they show the present day organisms. And then we have the internal nodes, which represent the most recent common ancestor between two different organisms or two different splits. And then lastly, we have anagenesis and cladogenesis. Anagenesis is just evolution within one lineage, and then cladogenesis is evolution between two different species. So one lineage turning into two different lineages. And then these are clades, which basically just group the different branches together. Now here's an example of a rooted phylogenetic tree. This shows the inanimate object of a light bulb and light devices. We have the light bulb, lamp, string lights, colored lights, Christmas lights, white lights, lanterns, flashlights, headlamps, and chest lamps. The light bulb is the first one, and it is the outgroup, and it branches off from the building block into all of their devices. The devices diverge into plugged-in and battery-operated devices. The plugged-in devices split off into single bulb and multi-bulb, which are lamps and string lights, which diverge into year-round and holiday, which is string lights and Christmas lights, and then colored lights and white lights. Then we have battery-operated devices, which branch off into handheld and touch-free. Handheld include lanterns and flashlights, and touch-free include headlamps and chest lamps. The first clade is the plugged-in devices, and the second clade is the battery-operated devices. And that is the phylogenetic tree. I hope you learned of it today. And the resources I used were in-class slides, as well as the first picture shown here from Kennesaw State University. And I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.